Hey y'all, this is your cells and taxonomic groups test. You may pause as you need, rewind, fast forward. Just make sure you're marking your answers on your test and then also putting them on your bubble sheet. And also make sure your name's on it. Okay, number one, what do the organisms in the diagram have in common? So you need to look at these three pictures. A, they all perform photosynthesis. B, they're all composed of cells. C, they are all omnivores. Or D, all are animals. Number two, which of the following would not be found in a prokaryotic cell? F, genetic information. G, cytoplasm. H, a nucleus. Or J, a cell membrane. Number three, plant cells have a cell wall, a cell nucleus, and a vacuole, as well as other cell parts. Plants are considered to be A, unicellular, B, eukaryotic, C, heterotrophic, or D, prokaryotic. All right, number four says, identify and choose the prokaryotic cell from the diagram below. So you need to look at these. You have F, this picture, G, this picture, H, and J, and you're picking the prokaryotic cell. All right, number five. What do a mushroom, an amoeba, and a sixth grader have in common? A, they all belong to the animal kingdom. B, they are all composed of one or more cells. C, they are all composed solely of gases and liquids. Or D, they are all classified as invertebrates. Number six, bacteria cells lack a true nucleus. A bacteria cell is considered to be which of the following cell types? F, fungal cells, G, prokaryotic cells, H, eukaryotic cells, or J, viral cells. Number seven, which group is the broadest group in the modern classification system of living organisms? A, kingdom, B, phylum, C, class, or D, domain? Number eight. What do the domains bacteria and archaea have in common? F, they both contain organisms composed of cells that are classified as prokaryotes. G, they both contain organisms composed of cells that are classified as plants. H, they both contain organisms composed of cells that are classified as eukaryotes. Or J, they both contain organisms composed of cells that are classified as animals. Number nine, in which domain is a human being found or classified, A, archaea, B, bacteria, C, eukarya, or D, fungi? Number 10, what are the names of the three domains? F, plants, animals, bacteria. G, animal, vegetable, mineral. H, archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. Or J, fungi, bacteria, animal. Number 11, Daniel saw this organism in his microscope. In what domain does this organism likely belong? So you have this picture. Would it go in domain archaea, domain eukarya, domain plantae, or domain bacteria? All right, when you're ready, flip it over. If you need to rewind, you can go back to another question or move on with me. Number 12. A unicellular prokaryotic organism that reproduces asexually belongs to which kingdom? F. Protista, G. Fungi, H. Bacteria, or J. Animalia? The characteristics of a particular organism are listed below. So here's our characteristics. 1, it's multicellular. 2, it's autotrophic. 3, it has a cell wall. 4, it has a nucleus. And 5, it reproduces sexually or asexually. In which kingdom should this organism be classified? A, fungi, B, bacteria, C, plantae, or D, animalia? Number 14. The characteristics of an organism are listed below. 1, it's multicellular. 2, it's eukaryotic. 3, it sexually reproduces. 4, it's heterotrophic. 5, it can move around. 6, it digests inside its body. In which kingdom would this organism be classified? So using the clues. Would it be an F, archaea, G, plantae, H, animalia, or J, bacteria? All right, so you have Kingdom A and Kingdom B. Under Kingdom A, we have a daisy flower, a rose bush, wheat, and an oak tree. Under Kingdom B, we have a dog, a mosquito, a hamster, and a worm. It says, what basic characteristic divides the organisms in Kingdom A from Kingdom B? So how are these different than these? A, the kingdoms in Kingdom A are all multicellular, and those in Kingdom B are unicellular. B, the organisms in Kingdom A are all unicellular, and those in Kingdom B are multicellular. C, the organisms in Kingdom A are all autotrophic, and those in Kingdom B are heterotrophic. D, the organisms in Kingdom A are all heterotrophic, and those in Kingdom B are autotrophic. All right, number 16. Which of the following is made of cells? F, ocean water, G, a glass bowl, H, an oak tree, or J, a cement sidewalk? (17) A student on a nature walk discovers an organism with which she is unfamiliar. She observed that the organism is flat, shelf-like shape, and is attached to a dead log from which it obtains its nutrients. Using the table, to which kingdom should she classify the organism? So we have characteristics here and the kingdom here. I'm going to zoom in just a little now. All right, so here we go. For Kingdom Animalia, the characteristics are eukaryotic cells, multicellular, heterotrophic. For Kingdom Plantae, its characteristics are eukaryotic cells, multicellular, autotrophic. For Kingdom Fungi, it's eukaryotic, unicellular, or multicellular, and it absorbs nutrients. Protista is eukaryotic, mostly unicellular, and very simple organism. So is this thing A, Animalia, B, Plantae, C, Fungi, or D, Protista? Number 18. When the edges of tectonic plates shift and energy is released, what's the most likely result? Do you get F, earthquakes, G, volcanoes, H, mountains forming, or J, an island forming? Number 19. An organism has the following characteristics. First, it's composed of eukaryotic cells. It's mostly unicellular. It's a simple organism. What kingdom does it go in? A, fungi, B, protista, C, plantae, or D, animalia? All right, last one, number 20. The shapes and landforms of Earth's crust can be explained by the movement of the tectonic plates. Which of the following best explains how mountains are created? F. Tectonic plates collide at convergent boundaries, causing the crust to push upward. G. Tectonic plates slide past each other at transform boundaries, causing the crust to push upward. H. Tectonic plates collide at divergent boundaries, causing the crust to push upward. Or J. Tectonic plates collide at convergent boundaries, causing the mantle to push upward. All right, if you need to go back, you can rewind to get back to any question. Make sure you circle the answer on your paper. Make sure you've bubbled all the answers in on your bubble sheet, and then turn it in however your teacher asks you to do that. Thanks.